everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to possibly view your Gmail password if you forgot it on your Android phone. So this could be easy. Just swipe on down from the top right and then go on over to Google. So you can see Google right here on my Samsung phone. And then we want to go to all services, go on down to where it says autofill with Google. Now we can go to the Google Password Manager and then we can go to accounts. So if you have a Google account on here, you should be able to see it. And then you can reveal the password. Just tap the I. Now, let's say you don't see it. Maybe you actually have it saved on a different account. So if you have 2 or 3 different Google accounts, go up to here and then switch. Switch it to a different account or add another account. And you might have the Google Gmail actually saved on that account. So you can just add another account right here, and then you can just do the same process. So that could potentially help you out a lot. So you can do the same thing on just your Pixel phone, your regular Android phone. It's right at the top, all services, and you'll see autofill with Google Password Manager. And here it is. Any password that's saved on your phone or your account should show up. So if you don't have it on this account, switch to a different account to see if it's saved there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.